Greetings, monarchs of the internet. Today I'm going to show you how I DIY'd this $1 broken hashtag. I thought that this was so cute. I'd never seen anything like this before, and as a social media lover, I adored it. But it was cracked, which was very sad, so my mom didn't think I should get it, but I was like, I could totally figure out something to do with this. And so anyway, I can't really show you the hashtag, or the price tag on the hashtag, but it was like $1.50 or something. It was really cheap. It was in the discount at Michael's. There's like a discount aisle in Michael's. It's like a wonderful place. But anyway, so I decided to use this gold paint that I had and just kind of brush over the crack lines. And I was originally going to, you can see that one forlorn jewel right at the top. Well, technically it's like the bottom. I'm facing backwards. Anyways, it doesn't matter. See the one jewel sticking out there? Well, I was originally going to cover the whole thing kind of with a smattering of jewels, but I did that and I didn't really like it, and most of the jewels were popping off anyways because for some reason the glue I used didn't stick, so it was very sad. But for whatever reason, that one jewel refuses to come off, so that's where it lives now. So I worked with what I had. I really didn't want to accidentally scratch the mirror trying to get it off too hard, so I decided just to paint over it, as you see here, and really I don't think it's that noticeable and kind of gives a dimension of texture. But so after I painted over the original crack lines, I thought it still looked a little bit too barren, so I decided to make some, quote, fake crack lines. And when I was making the crack lines, it's really good to kind of almost think of it like a tree. It's a lot like drawing a tree with the different breaks and how some places are straight and some places are a little bit curved. And yeah, so if you kind of think of it as drawing a tree or drawing tree branches, that kind of helped me. And I did a couple little dots because there were some little imperfections and little scratches, probably from getting banged around in the discount Michael's aisle. So yes, it is a wonderful place, but it is quite a brutal place. Everything's just kind of strewn around, at least in the ones where I've been. So I put a couple little dots on places that were scratched. I added some, and I think this really helped create the illusion too, because I not only covered the places that had imperfections, but also just made some more to, so you really can't tell where the cracks are and where the scratches are and where I just decided to paint over. And I also kind of got inspiration from a Japanese, now the name escapes me. If somebody knows, please put it in the comments. But basically the Japanese, there's a style of pottery, so when you break a pot, they wouldn't just throw the pot out, they would actually seal up and mend the pot, but they would seal it up and mend the cracks with gold. So, and that was seen as a sign of beauty and imperfection, or something like that. So that's kind of what I was going for here, and you can see the final product in a better light in just a moment. Sorry guys, I'm still trying to figure out my lighting here, and it was also kind of wacky because the mirror was reflecting the light and confusing the camera, but I've got a better, and now you can see the camera lens. Oh, and now it's better, and now it's not. So I'll figure that out, guys, I promise. But here's a better image of the hashtag, and I think it is a really good symbol of beauty and imperfection, so I like that. And here's my cat. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, if anybody knows what what I was talking about at all, probably horribly, just feel free to put that in the comments. I would love to know. I think I googled it at some point, but I forgot. So thanks so much for watching, and yeah, bye.